Good morning students. Today in this video we are going to solve few more examples from that exercise number 1.5. In that first video I have solved this example number A and B. Right, instead of 35 I had taken 36 there. So that answer is also correct. So here I have taken 36, so that is why answer is different. So this example is correct. Now we are going to solve few more examples from exercise number 1.5. That I have taken example number C here. In this example, what is this example? 5 upon 6 multiplied by 9 upon 10. In multiplication, what we have to do? You just have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Here denominators are different, but you don't have to find the LCM. When you have to find the LCM of denominator in addition and subtraction only. When multiplication is there, you just have to multiply numerator with numerator. 5 multiplied by 9 and 6 multiplied by 10. 5 nines are 45 and 6 tens are 60. Now 45 upon 60 is there, right? Now you know that you can simplify this fraction, means 45 and 60 both are divisible by 5, right? And also comes in the table of 15 also, so you can directly divide it by 15. 15 3s are 45 and 15 4s are 60, so 3 upon 4 is our final answer. So next one is a 7 upon 8 multiplied by 12. 7 upon 8 multiplied by 12. Now this is the fraction and this is the whole number, right? Here denominator is not given, so you can consider denominator 1. Value will not change. 12 divided by 1 is again 12. So if denominator is not given, in that case you can consider or you can take 1 as a denominator. Now what we have to do? 7 multiplied by 12 upon 8 you can do. 8 ones are 8, or you can write here 8 multiplied by 8. No confusion, right? Now you can take product directly, or you can cancel here. If any number is getting cancelled, or denominator and numerator, if they get divided by any of the common number, then you can divide here. Now look here, 12 is here and 8 is here. 12 and 8 both are in here. 12 is in numerator and 8 is in denominator. You can cancel. 12 comes in the table of 4 and 8 also comes in the table of 4, right? Now 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So what left in the numerator? 7 multiplied by 3 upon denominator. What left? 2 multiplied by 1. 7 3s are 21 upon 2. This is our fraction, right? And this is improper fraction, right? So you can again divide it. 2 tens are 20, remainder will left 1. 10 and half means 21 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, remainder 1 0. Next number 1, 2 zeros are 0, remainder 1. So 10 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder and 2 is the divisor. So 10 and half is our answer. Okay, now next example is what? Example number E. What is the example number E? 3 upon 5 multiplied by 6. Nothing is there in the denominator, so you can take 1, right? 6 3s are directly you can solve now. You don't have to do all the time, you don't have to do this step. What you have to do here? Numerator gets multiplied with numerator. Same thing here. 3 6 are 18 and 5 ones are 5. 18 upon 5. You know that orally you can do. 5 3s are 15. Means if you divide 18 by 5, what will you get? Quotient you will get 3 and remainder will left 3 upon denominator 5. Means what? 18 divided by 5. You don't have to do all the time this division. You can orally write like this. 5 3s are 15, remainder 3. So quotient, remainder and divisor. So you have converted this improper fraction to mixed fraction. When you have to convert mixed to improper, in that case you have to multiply these two number and add this one. 5 3 is 15 plus 3 18 upon 5 as it is. Improper to mix and mix to improper. Understood? Now one more example I have taken here. Now look here. 1 upon 6 multiplied by 2 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 5. Directly you can write 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, that is numerator. These are the numerators. Now denominator 6 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Is there any common number? 3 and 3. 3 gets cancelled with 3. That's it. What left in numerator? 1 multiplied by 2, that is 2, and 6 5s are 30, right? Because 3 3 got cancelled. 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3, right? With 1 and 1. So that will not affect on multiplication. 1 multiplied by 2, 2, and 2 multiplied by 1, 2. 6 ones are 6 multiplied by 5, 30. So 2 upon 30, 2 and 30, you can again get the lowest term of this one. 2 and 30 both are divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 15s are 30, or 2 ones are 2, 1 remainder left, 10, 2 5s are 10. So what is our answer? 1 upon 15, right? Now then we will solve that example number K. Right, 6 2 upon 3 multiplied by 6 1 upon 4. Now here mixed fractions are given. So what we have to convert? Mixed fraction to improper fraction. How will you convert? Multiply these two numbers. 6 3s are 18 plus 2 20. 3 6 are 18 plus 2 20 upon denominator 3 as it is. Multiplication sign as it is. Multiply these two numbers. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25 upon denominator as it is. Now what we have to do? Numerator gets multiplied with numerator and denominator gets multiplied with denominator. 20 multiplied by 25 upon 3 multiplied by 4. Now you just have to check, is there any numerator and denominator get cancelled, or is numerator divisible by denominator? Yes, 20 is divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. So in numerator what left? 5 multiplied by 25 upon 3 multiplied by 1 is left in the numerator, right? So now 25 5s are, you can do 25 5s are 125 and 3 ones are 3, means 125 divided by 3. Again improper fraction, convert 125 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12, remainder 0, next number 5, 3 ones are 3, remainder 2, right? So what is our answer? 41, remainder 2, divisor 3. 41 2 upon 3, that is our answer. Like this you have to solve the multiplication problems. Okay, which one we have solved now? K1 we have solved, right? So that this answer is correct. So like this you have to do the multiplication. Now what about the division? We have learned the addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction. In both the case, if denominators are same, you just have to subtract or add numerator. If denominators are different, in that case you have to find the LCM there, right? Now in multiplication, you just have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. And if any of these numbers can get cancelled or are divisible by, then you can simplify it. Simplify it means you can find the lowest term. म्हणजे होता येईल तेवढं त्याला छोटं केलं. And if improper fraction are coming there, we have converted into the mixed fraction. If mixed fraction is given at the beginning of the example, we have converted into the improper, then we have solved it or we have simplified it, right? Now what about division? Division of the fraction. Division of the fraction. Now look here. In division, you don't have to divide the numbers. You just have to write the reciprocal of the fraction. Reciprocal of the fraction means what? 2 upon 3 is our fraction, right? 2 upon 3 is our fraction. Now look here, they have given reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of the fraction. Means what? 2 upon 3 is given here. What is the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse? Both having the same meaning. So we will call it reciprocal. Reciprocal means what? If 2 upon 3 is the fraction, and if you have to convert it into the reciprocal, its reciprocal will be 3 upon 2. Denominator will come to the numerator and numerator will go to the denominator. That is the only change. Okay, 2 खाली येणार, 3 वरती जाणार. That is called as reciprocal. If you write the reciprocal of the any number, now look here. Here they have written 2 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 2. Means what? They have multiplied 2 upon 3 by its reciprocal. Its reciprocal means 2 upon 3 is a reciprocal काय आला? 3 upon 2. So what will be the answer here? 1 will be the answer. How? 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are 6, means 6 upon 6 means 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 1 upon 1 means 1. Or you can cancel this 3 with 3, 2 with 2, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2. Right? So 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1, 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. So that is the reciprocal. Now we understood here reciprocal of 2 upon 3 is equal to 3 upon 2. Where you have to use this reciprocal? In division. In division. If for example they have given here some examples. exercise number 1.6. Write the multiplicative inverse of each of the following, means reciprocal of this number. Simply you just have to write 3 upon 5 means 5 upon 3. 5 upon 3 is the reciprocal. Here what will be the reciprocal? 19 upon 10. Okay, this will come for 2-3 marks. Okay, now 15, what will be the reciprocal of 15? Here they have not given numerator and denominator, only they have given the whole number. If there is no denominator, you can consider 1 as a denominator. So what will come? 15 upon 1 means 1 upon 15 is the reciprocal. Here what will come? 7 upon 12. That's it. Now here 2 6 upon 7 mixed fraction they are given. Look here, we have to convert 2 6 upon 7. We have to find its reciprocal, right? Which one we are solving? F1 from exercise number 1.6. Exercise number 1.6, we are solving F1. Now here mixed fraction is given, but we have to write the reciprocal. So some of you might will write 2 7 upon 6. This is wrong, because here they have given whole number. So this mixed fraction you need to convert to the improper fraction first. So what is our example? 2 6 upon 7. First you have to convert it into the improper fraction. 7 2s are 14 plus 6 20 upon 7. Here now you got the fraction, right? Now you can convert it into the reciprocal. That what will be the reciprocal of 20 upon 7? 7 upon 20. So first we have converted mixed fraction to improper fraction, and then we have written its reciprocal. Understood? So you don't have to do like this. When mixed fraction is given, you have to convert to the improper fraction, and then you have to convert it into a reciprocal, right? Now look here. This is how you have to solve that exercise number. What will be the reciprocal of this 1? Nothing is there means 1. 1 upon 1 means again 1 upon 1 will come. So it will not going to change. So it will remain 1. Reciprocal upon will remain 10. Here again you have to do 7 3s are 21 plus 2. First convert it into the improper fraction. 7 3s are 21 plus 2. 23 upon 7. So this reciprocal will be 7 upon 21. Nothing is given there means you have to consider 1, and then you have to write its reciprocal. Right. Now look here. What are the answers here? Nothing is there means you can consider 1. Nothing is there means you can consider 1. Now look here. 6 1s are 6 and 6 1s are 6. 6 upon 6 will come. 6 upon 6 means 1. Look here. 1 upon 6 multiplied by 6 they have given. Right. Question number 2a. Right. 1 upon 6. So first nothing is given there means 1. Now you can multiply numerator with numerator. 6 1s are 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 upon 6 means 6 divided by 6 is equal to what? 1 will come. 6 1s are 6. 6 1s are 6. And 1 upon 1 means 1. Understood? This is how you have to write. So everywhere answer will come 1. Here also answer will come 1. Like this I have to do. Now division of fraction is given. With the help of this reciprocal you have to do division. In division what we have to do here? Look here. Divide 5 upon 14 by 2 upon 7. What is the question here? Division. Right? Means how it will come? 5 upon 14 divided by 2 upon 7. Right? So in division you just have to do one extra step. One extra step, that is, instead of division you have to take the sign of multiplication. So first fraction will remain as it is. 5 upon 14 will remain as it is. Now you have to change this sign. Instead of division you have to take the multiplication. What we have to take? Multiplication. When you change the sign here, you have to write the reciprocal of this next fraction. Reciprocal of next fraction. First fraction will remain as it is. You just have to change the sign. What will come here? Instead of 2 upon 7, 7 upon 2 will come. So that is why reciprocal is important. That is the only change in the division. The remaining things will remain as it is. Right? Instead of division, you have to take multiplication. When sign change, side change. Denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. That is the reciprocal of 2 upon 7. And remaining things will remain as it is. Look here. 5 upon 14 as it is. Instead of division they have taken multiplication, and say 2 upon 7 will become 7 upon right? Now that is what we have to do. So they have given some examples from that exercise number 1.7. What we have to do, divide 1/2, or you can say 1/2 by 8. Means what? Exercise number 1.7. We will solve first example. 1/2 divided by 8, because question is what? Divide, right? So how will we write 1/2 divided by 8? Nothing is there means 1 is there, right? Now what we have to do, we have to change this sign. So first fraction you don't have to change, first fraction will remain as it is, 1/2 will remain as it is. Instead of division, take multiplication sign, and 8 upon 1 will convert it to 1/8. So it's upon reciprocal value. So that's it. So 1 1s are 1 and 8 2s are 16. This is our answer. Very easy. Multiplication and division of the fraction is very easy. In multiplication you have to multiply numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. In division, instead of division you have to write the sign of multiplication, and second fractions reciprocal you have to take. Reciprocal म्हणजे थोडक्यात न्यूमरेटर डिनॉमिनेटरला जाणार, डिनॉमिनेटर न्यूमरेटरला येणार, उलटा करायचं त्याला. Then B1, 3/5 by 9 means 3/5 ला 9 ने डिवाइड करायचं. So first write example, 3/5 divided by 9. Nothing is there means you can write 1. Now what we have to change? 3/5 will remain as it is, 3/5. Instead of division you have to write the sign of multiplication, and 9/1 will get converted to 1/9. 3 1s are 3 and 9 5s are 45. Now check, 3/45 is our answer. Can we simplify this one? We know that divisibility test of 3. If sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. 3 is divisible by 3 and 45 is also divisible by 3. Right? So 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 1 left from the 4, so number become 45. 15, so 3 5s are 15. So final answer is 1/15. How you have to simplify? So many students have confusion. So how we are doing? Say 3 1s are 3, I have written. So 1 came in the numerator. Now you are dividing 4 by 3, right? So what will you do? 45 divided by 3. In this case, what we have to do? 3 1s are 3 you are writing. So I have written 1 here. This quotient I have written here 1. So from this 4 you are subtracting 1. So I have cut 4 here, right? And I have subtracted 3 from it. So what left? I said 3 1s are 3, but I have cut 4. So what left from that 4? 1. That 1 you also considered next. Means number, how number becomes 15? This 5 comes down. This 1 is remainder. When you are dividing 4 by 3, then remainder left 1. In front of that remainder, next number is coming down. Means this 5 will become 15 and 3 5s are 15. I am writing here. Understood how it comes? So 1/15 is our final answer. Now one more example we will take, that C1. 11/14, sorry, 11/14 is given for 14 by 7. What we have to do? Divide. So what, how will you write? 11/14 divided by 7. Nothing is there means 1 you can consider, right? That because value is not going to change. Then 11/14, instead of division you have to take multiplication sign, and 7/1 will become 1/7. So which fraction I am changing? Second fraction I am changing. So first fraction will remain as it is. Now take 11 1s are 11, 14 7s, 14 7s are 19. Right? 11/98 is our final answer. Understood? So this is how you have to do the multiplication and division. In multiplication, directly you have to multiply numerators with numerators and denominators with denominator, and then you can simplify, and then you will get the lowest term of that fraction. In division, you just have to take the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 2/3 is equal to 3/2. This is reciprocal. Okay, understood what is reciprocal? काही नाही, reciprocal म्हणजे 2/3 चा 3/2 झाला. यांची मल्टिप्लिकेशन केली तर आन्सर 1 येतं, कारण या 2 1 2 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, because these are in the numerators and these are in the denominators. Okay, numerator, denominator and numerator gets cancelled or gets divided. Understood? So final answer will come 1. So product of reciprocal is what? Always comes 1. 2 upon 3 product means multiplied by the reciprocal, value will come 1. How it comes? You can cancel here or you can take product. 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 upon 6 means 1. Understood? 6 upon 6 means 6 divided by 6. Same meaning. This having the same meaning like this. 6 upon 6 means 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. Understood? So in this video what we have learned? Multiplication of the fraction and division of the fraction. In division you just have to do one extra step. Instead of division you have to write the multiplication sign and next fraction will get converted to its reciprocal. A few more examples we will solve. I will solve that example number F. 4 2 upon 3 divided by 7. So how? First you have to convert this one. 4 3s are 12 plus 2. 14 upon 3 by means divided by 7. 7 means nothing is there, means 1 is there, is equal to sign. Then for next only one step you have to do extra. Okay, instead of division you have to do the multiplication. So sign you just have to change. After changing the sign, next fraction will get converted to its reciprocal. Now look, 14 ones are 14 and 7 3s are 21. 14 upon 21 is our answer. So now you just have to check before writing your final answer. Is 14 and 21 divisible by any common number? Yes, it is divisible by 7. 7 2s are 14 and 7 3s are 21. So this is the lowest term. If you write 14 upon 21, still your answer is correct. If you write 2 upon 3, it is the lowest term of 14 upon 21. Understood? This is how you have to solve. If you want to solve, I will solve one more example from that question number 2. 88, this one is F1, but from question number 2. 88 divided by 3 1 upon 7. Now simple. Look here what you have to do. 88 divided by, here nothing is there means you can write 1. A mixed fraction you have to convert to improper. 7 3s are 21 plus 1 22 upon 7. Right. Now next step is what? Instead of division you have to take first fraction will remain as it is. Second fraction you have to convert to the reciprocal. 7 upon 21. Right. So what will come? 81 multiplied by 7 upon 1 multiplied by 22, that is 22. Now look here, 88 and 22 are divisible by 22, right? Or you can divide it by 2 if you don't know the table of 22. So orally you can say 21 ones are 21, 21, 22, 22 ones are 22 and 22 4s are 88 will come. So in denominator what left? 4 multiplied by 7 left, and in denominator 1 left. In numerator 4 multiplied by 7. So 7 4s are 28 and upon 1, that is 28 divided by 1 is equal to 28. 28 is our answer. In this way you have to solve that multiplication and division of the fraction. Understood? In addition and subtraction, if denominator is same, you just have to add numerators, or you have to subtract the numerator. Denominator will remain as it is. When denominators are different, in that case you have to find the LCM. But in multiplication and division you don't have to take the LCM. In multiplication, numerator gets multiplied with numerator and denominator gets multiplied with denominator. In division, only one step you have to do extra to convert that division to multiplication. You just have to write the reciprocal of that number. Understood? Whenever nothing is given there, you can consider 1 in the denominator. Understood? So in by divided by 7 will become multiplied by 1 upon 7. Okay. So this is how you have to solve. I will send you the answer key of exercise number 1.6 and 1.7 that you have to solve in the notebook, and you have to send me the photo of it. Okay, thank you. Watch this video carefully. If you still have any doubt, send me the WhatsApp messages. Okay, thank you.